Are there controversial topics commonly shown in Indian soap operas? When we think about Indian soap operas or Hindi serials, many questions arise. One of the most pressing is whether these shows tackle controversial topics. The answer is yes, they often do. Indian soap operas frequently reflected and sometimes challenge societal norms. Traditionally, these serials have showcased themes like family conflicts, jealousy, and conspiracies. They often highlight extramarital affairs, which can reinforce patriarchal values and gender stereotypes. For instance, female characters are often portrayed as idealized figures, typically dressed in traditional clothing. This representation can lead to a narrow view of women's roles in society. Additionally, power imbalances are common, with wealthy male characters often dominating the narrative. Such portrayals can perpetuate negative views about gender and relationships, influencing how viewers perceive social roles. In recent years, a shift has occurred. A new wave of Indian soap operas and web series has begun to address more taboo and sensitive issues directly. Topics like sex education, marital rape, and acid attacks are now being discussed. These shows aim to break cultural silences and challenge outdated social norms. This approach, sometimes referred to as edutainment, seeks to educate audiences while entertaining them. However, this progressive trend is not without its critics. While many viewers appreciate these shows for raising awareness, some groups, particularly men's organizations, argue that they undermine traditional values. They feel these serials may favor women's rights excessively, creating a backlash against the themes presented. Historically, Indian soap operas have depicted controversial topics related to family dynamics and gender roles. They often reinforce traditional patriarchal ideas. Yet, the more recent serials are taking on explicit social issues, using the medium to challenge taboos. This dual nature of Indian soap operas highlights how they can serve as mirrors of existing social tensions while also providing a platform for potential social dialogue and change. So, the next time you tune into an Indian soap opera, remember that these shows are not just about entertainment. They often reflected deeper societal issues and can spark important conversations about the world we live in.